Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Practical Learning Assets. So as you all have already seen the thumbnail, so today's video is about the 6 big mistakes to avoid in term 2 exams. And yes, today's video is especially for class 10 and 12 students who are ready to give their term 2 exams. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. So let's first discuss the mistakes to avoid during revision for term 2. It must be the revision time going on for everybody. So let's discuss the first mistake to avoid during revision for term 2, that is making last minute notes. Remember, this is the end of the academic year and not the beginning. Notes are always made at the beginning of the session and not during the exams. If you still need the notes, just read the NCERT in text and back exercise questions and they will work as your notes. The second mistake to be avoided is reading resource books or extra books. It's good enough if you have resource books or if you have read the resource books earlier. But remember, this is not the time to read them again. If possible, and if not done yet, then start solving CBSE previous year questions with proper time limit of 1.5 hours, leaving 30 minutes for revision and unsolved questions. Moving ahead, the third mistake to be avoided is not revising the original CBSE sample paper. The original sample paper released by CBSE is a must to be practiced thoroughly before the exam. Solving the question paper with exact time duration will help you boost your confidence also. So the fourth mistake to be avoided is ignoring NCERT questions during revision. In the previous point 2, I suggested you to read and learn the NCERT in text and back exercise questions. So please don't ignore these questions and don't cram the questions. Now let's discuss the mistakes to be avoided while writing the exam. So the first mistake to be avoided is not to exceed the word limit. Always remember to write your answer in the given word limit. Writing extra 5 or 6 words won't make a difference, but try to be short and crisp in the exam. Students often go beyond what is asked in the question. So avoid making this mistake and answer exactly what the question asks. Do read the question twice with full concentration before attempting it. If the question asks you why or what, do write the answer to that only. Don't go beyond what is asked in the question. So before ending the video, let me just tell you a few guidelines given by the CBSE. First, carry a transparent bottle of sanitizer. Don't carry a colored bottle. The second guideline is wear a mask covering mouth and nose. And the last one is a very obvious one, to follow proper social distancing. So guys, this was all for today's video. If you guys liked the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.